Hey friends, in this video we're going to be talking about Sony's first quarter earnings from 2017. So that'll be from earlier this year. Those just got released recently. On a constant currency basis, Sony sales picked up by 26%, which is a big deal. They're already number 2 in a lot of markets. They're already growing really quickly, but a 26% increase kind of needs to be put into a little context. So there was that big earthquake last year. Part of the increase this year is because of that earthquake. They're also dealing with increased operational costs, but they're also covering for that with their increase in sales. So, Sony is capturing more and more of the market. Sony sees this increase in sales as coming from an increase in unit sales, as well as an improvement to product mix, reflecting a shift towards high value added models. And that's a direct quote. The other really important thing to keep in mind is that Sony has had a 41.4% increase in sales with just their imaging sensors. And most of that is coming from smartphones. And so let's take a historical look at this really quick. A lot of camera companies really thrived when point and shoots were the primary sellers for them. That's what drove a lot of innovation in them, because they had more R&D dollars, they had more dollars period, because of how strong point and shoot sales were. And then those completely died to be replaced with smartphones. And so what Sony's doing is they're putting their imaging sensors into smartphones to replace, in a lot of ways, a point and shoot market. And so because they're capturing a huge amount of market with their sensors, with their imaging sensors in smartphones, what that's doing is that's giving them more dollars, which means more R&D dollars to put into making better and better cameras, like we were talking about a minute ago, that have really high value added in a product mix. So I think we can only expect further incredible innovation out of Sony and further development of their product lines, both FE, be it the bodies and the lenses, as well as potential for medium format and A mount. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. I'm really excited to see where that takes us down the line. So thank you very much for your time and for your attention. I'm really looking forward to seeing the next one.